Hi, good morning. Paul here. It is April 4th, 2019. So we're going to check out what's the newest in the greater Las Vegas real estate market. Let's see, let's get this all straightened out. Okay, so we have a 1,000 square foot 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo on Flamingo. Oh, green. Car matches the building. Interesting. Pretty nice. Bad people can't put stuff away because they have no place to put it. Alright. Well, so that's over on Flamingo, which is Buffalo and Flamingo. Okay. Right over there in Spring Valley. Okay, let's see what else we got going on here. $510,000 for a 2-story, 3,500 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage house. No pictures. Ford Apache. Okay, it's pretty much the same area. Alright, then yesterday we had this little 1-story townhome on Lynn. People like yellow. A couple of pictures there. Okay, and that's on 89.9. Take a look at this. Christie and Stewart. Okay, over there. Alright. $3.2 million. Evan Ridge Court. 9760 square feet. Wow. 7 bedrooms, 7 baths, 4-car garage, pool, and spa. Wow, check that out. Pretty wild. What these are for. Big theater. Look at that. How many friends can you have? Wow. Let's do a lot of entertaining. Quite a kitchen. Okay, so where are we here on Evan Ridge? Lone Mountain and Grand Canyon. Okay, way up there. Alright. Okay, so that's that. Let's go see what is under contract. 711 properties. and then sold. Today is the 4th. Let's get these prices straight first. Okay, so yesterday, lowest price $64,000 for a 1-bedroom, 1-bath condo. Okay, and that is over on Twain and Paradise, close to downtown. Good rental unit. A lot of closings yesterday, apparently. $1.225. One-story house, nice. Couple garages, that's nice. On the golf course. I think we saw this when it first came on the market. That's good. How many days on the market? 77. Maybe so. Okay. Reunion and Anthem. Okay. Yeah. Pretty sure we did. Well, good deal. Glad to hear that. Alright. So what else do we have to take a look at today? See what's happening down in my neck of the woods here. Oops. Sorry. Pull this back a bit so it's easier. Okay. So, we kind of just focus on this area right here. And we have lowest price property in our neighborhood, or our area is $135,000. Okay, little condo. And the most expensive one is $17 million over on Dragon Ridge, 128 days. See in the same area. Let's see what let's just go the last 30 days just for the giggles. Most expensive one was $5.4 million. Look at that. Closed last month. 232 days on the market. Cheapest one was $122,000. 2300 Silver Ranch, that's what the lowest priced ones are in the area. Closed 326. Okay. Very, very good. I will talk to you tomorrow, I guess. Y'all have a great day. Let me get